Today we going to see about how to add our file through the internet. Our files are in our computer with the local files, and we want to upload our file to our internet through the GitHub. If you have a GitHub account and you have already done the project in a GitHub, and you can directly go on. And if you does not have, I have link my in description. If you publish your project in GitHub repository, and we can see about our code in our GitHub, we can see our code, and but we can does not view our project exactly what is happening. So we want to go to our setting in our GitHub and click the page icon, and after that and move on the build and development. After that, go to the branch option. In the branch option, click the main and click on the save button, and after that wait for 2 minutes and refresh, and it will be pop up your URL and in a GitHub, and copy and click through that URL and go to, and it's open the new Windows app, and wait, and in this time your Windows will be does not. You want to go back to your code. After go back to your project and copy that file path about that HTML tag, because your copy that file path and paste it on your, which is a URL which for not error has been shown on, and click that and copy and refresh the page, and your project can be visible to everyone. And copy this URL and and share to your friends and families. That's it. You have been published your file through the internet.